Good evening, Karuna. I think we've had a session together.
No, this is our
I
first
heard your
session.
name, but I've heard your name somewhere.
I
No?
don't know.
Hmm.
I don't know, but this
So,
is our first session.
my wife is a teacher as well, and her super program manager, I think. I don't know. It said in your profile that you're a teacher, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So her coordinator or program manager's name is also Karuna. But anyway, welcome to the session. My name is Divyam, and
Yeah,
this is our first session together. So we're going to have our energies on high, and we're going to make sure we have fun in this session. Okay?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Have you gone through the document? Are you excited?
Yeah, yeah, I am excited.
Okay. Any questions before we start?
No.
Perfect. Okay. So, Karuna, my first question to you is that are you the kind of person who dreams a lot when they sleep?
Yes,
Sorry.
I will not say dream, but like most of the time I had nightmares.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, most of the times I had nightmares and very few dreams. Sometimes, yeah, good dreams are also there. So, so yeah, but like I forget everything. Most of the time I forget.
Yeah, I think that is just how our brain works because there are times where I've woken up really happy and I'm like, wow, this is such a good dream. And then 10 minutes later, I'm brushing and I'm like, wait, what was the dream? I don't even remember the dream. I just
Yeah,
remember like bits and pieces that, okay, my wife was there, my dog was there, and I was
yeah,
happy. That's it. That's all I remember. Right?
yeah. Sometimes some dreams are very no logic is there behind those dreams, and I started thinking like why this kind of dream I had this kind of dream. So
Mm.
yeah,
I keep wondering why I had such a dream.
yeah, yeah. I keep wondering so why I had such a dream.
Yes. Now, in this sentence also, you added an extra so. I keep
Okay.
wondering why I had such a dream. Say that again.
I keep wondering why I had this dream.
Perfect. Such a dream, this dream, it's okay. Okay.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
So when a speaker corrects you, try and repeat them. Repeat
Okay.
what they're saying. Okay.
Yeah. 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 Okay.
Repeat after them. Sorry. Repeat after them. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Dream. So if it is not too personal, can you tell me what sort of nightmares you have?
Nightmares. Yeah. Sometimes I am running and like some ghost are following me. So
They're
this kind
chasing
of
you.
dream. You. Hello.
Yeah, they're chasing you,
Yeah.
right?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. They are chasing me. This kind of dream. But just couple of days ago, I had a very funny dream, you can say. So if you want to listen, then I will
Yes,
tell you.
I would love to hear.
Yeah. Okay, okay. So, in that dream, I saw like my school management, my principal was there. She organized one meeting, and we all teachers were there. We all school staffs were there, and like my principal came and uh, and uh, 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 and one lady, she also came along with her. She was from management side, and just due to this pandemic, like our increment is delayed. So
Was
sorry.
was delayed.
Yeah, was delayed. So that's why she was we had surprise. So that lady started saying, so yeah, now we are going to planning to increase your salary and increment and all the things. And she started make us understand. And then what happened, like my phone's alarm started ringing. Okay. And and I woke up, and then suddenly like I just can I say I just cut, I just paused that alarm. And then again I tried to close my eyes, like, okay, so what was the surprise I want to see? Yeah,
Okay.
but that was vanished. Yeah, that was vanished.
Okay.
Like nothing was there, and I started thinking, oh my God, so it was a dream.
Okay. So a couple
Yeah,
of things. Firstly, that was a very good story. That was very funny. I liked it.
yeah, it was.
Secondly, I don't think it was a nightmare. It was a dream.
It was
So
not
dreams are
nightmare.
generally.
Yeah, I saw. I sorry. I told you it was not nightmare. I
Okay.
told you like just few days ago I had one dream, so I want to share.
Okay.
Yeah, it
Okay.
was
Good.
not night.
Okay. Then it's good. So then it's good. It's just that it was a little disappointing that you didn't get to finish it, right?
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
we've all had that where we wake up and we're like, no, I want to go back to sleep. I want to finish that dream. I
yeah,
really want.
yeah. And you know this, I remember this thing because the same day I went to school and I share this thing with my colleagues. So that's why I remembered this dream. And one
Great.
more
Okay.
dream I remembered. Yeah.
Can I
Okay.
just give you some corrections first, and then
Yeah.
we'll move on
Okay.
to the next
Yes.
dream?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Um. You also said. Huh. You said that when the alarm was ringing, like you were sleeping, and
Yeah.
right when she was about to make an announcement, you said she was telling us or saying
Yeah.
us something.
She was she was making us understand something. Like
Yeah. So instead of
we are
saying
going.
making us understand, you can say she
Yeah.
was explaining to us.
Okay. Okay. She was
She was
explaining.
explaining the new increment, or she was explaining the increase in the salary. Okay. I
Okay.
think it's a
Okay.
smaller
Okay.
word, plus it makes more sense, right? That she was
Okay.
explaining something to you, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So she was explaining it. But suddenly I woke up because my alarm was ringing, right?
Yeah.
In
Yeah.
a hurry, I snoozed the alarm, or I
I
dismissed the
smooth. Yeah.
alarm.
That was the word. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now
I
I
smooth.
understand when we're trying to speak, we're speaking fast. Sometimes we're nervous, so we miss out these words. But this is how we are going to practice, because every time I correct you, the
Yeah.
next time you want to say it, you're like, Acha, last time Divyam said this, so I should try to find the word. And then the
Yeah.
third time you'll be like, yeah, I need to find the word. Fourth time
Yeah.
you'll remember the word and you'll use it. Right?
No, no,
So
I will
correction.
keep this word because this word is very friendly. I know this word, but like I don't know why I forgot the word.
That's what I'm saying. You didn't forget it. You were just too busy in the story to be like, okay, this is a good word. I should use it.
Yes, yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Think about making a sentence like grocery shopping. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Yeah.
you know you have to make biryani, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
You'll, let's say you're walking in a store and all the ingredients are in front of you. You'll take rice. You will take chicken. You're veg or non-veg?
Hello.
Are you veg or non-veg?
Non-veg.
Okay.
Yeah,
I love how proud
non-vegetarian.
you were when you said non. You're like non-veg. I'm non-veg.
I think you are a vegetarian. I know.
Yeah. Yeah. No, that's not a problem. But what I'm trying
Yeah.
to say is think about this as picking up ingredients, okay? A sentence. So you will take the rice because
Yes.
obviously you need rice. Okay. That is the basic sentence. Hello.
I think at your ending it was hello.
Is this from my
Hello.
end or your end? The network issue?
Okay. So actually I was getting one call. So that's why maybe it was
Ah,
paused.
okay, okay. So I'll just clarify my example. Think about this as ingredients. So rice is like the basic thing. If you're making biryani, you need rice, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Chicken can be your adjectives, like how you're trying to explain it. It was a good dream. She
Yeah.
was trying to explain something to us. Now, there are things that we need to understand. Now, good vocabulary is like elaichi. Without it, the dish can be made,
Yeah.
but with it, it will be much
Mm-hmm.
better, right? So
Yes. Yes.
imagine you're in a rush and
Yeah.
you're running through rice, chicken, haldi, long. I don't know the recipe, but you understand my point. And
Yeah.
suddenly
Yeah.
you
I
forget the
understand. Like
elaichi.
new vocabulary. Yeah. New vocabulary enhance the essence of the speech,
Maybe,
the
yes, yes,
quality of
that's
the
true.
speech, quality of the
Yeah.
speech.
My
Yeah.
point is now you know elaichi exists. You
Yes.
also know that elaichi goes in biryani. but
Mhm.
that day you forgot to pick up elaichi. That's it. It's that simple, right?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
the more we make biryani, the more we realize, last time I forgot elaichi, so this time I'll get elaichi.
So this time
This
I
is how
should.
corrections work. Yeah, this is how corrections work. So every time I'll correct you, the next time you remember, there was something Divyam was saying. And the third time you'll be like, no, no, this is exactly what Divyam was saying, so I'm going to use this word. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Okay. Two more corrections and then we'll move on. Sorry about that.
No. 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 It's
Um,
okay.
yeah,
I am
you
here for
said,
correction. Yeah.
yeah, great. So you said I snoozed the alarm and I tried to go back to sleep, but it vanished. Something like that you said,
Yeah.
right?
My dream was vanished. Like, yeah, everything was vanished, and I
Yeah.
realized. So it was dream. It was not in reality. It was in dream.
It was a dream.
It was a dream. Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm giving you the option to correct yourself. Instead of saying vanished, because even in that sentence, you did not say the full sentence. You did not say I tried to sleep. I'm not going to say it because I want you to say the sentence. You just
Mhm.
said it vanished, and then I was feeling bad. So start again. Try to say that sentence again with good vocabulary and take your time. Talk slowly. You
Okay.
snooze the alarm, and then what did you do?
Yeah. So I snoozed the alarm, and then when I tried to sleep, then it uh, like my dream was finished. So then I realized, so I had a dream. It was not in real life.
Okay, much better. See, this sentence was much better than the last one, right? But we can make it
Yeah.
better. We can say, after I snooze the alarm, I tried to go back to sleep,
Okay.
right? Because we were already sleeping and we are going back to sleep, right?
Yeah.
But by then I realized that the dream was gone or it had vanished. Okay, so that was a
Okay.
good correction from your part.
Mhm.
Now, again, over here in the second sentence, you did half half. It was vanished. And that is when I realized it was a dream, right? So
Yeah.
instead of two small sentences, you can make a big one, right? So you can say, after I snooze the alarm, I tried to go back to sleep, but by then the dream was already gone. And that is when I realized that it was a dream and not real life.
Okay. Yeah.
Now, I know I might confuse you, but keep
No. No.
practicing these things, keep watching these recordings again for correction.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Sure. I will watch.
Yeah. One
Yeah.
more thing, you keep repeating this kind of thing. Okay, this kind of thing.
Okay.
So you say, let's say I ask you what is your favorite music. You know how Punjabi music is there? I like this kind of thing.
Okay.
This is how
Yeah.
you're saying it, right? And I know why that happens because you feel like something is missing. How do I explain this, right?
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
that is the next challenge. Try to replace this kind of thing with
Okay.
whatever you want. So go to Google, try to find the words for what you're missing, try to
Mhm.
find adjectives, or try to make sentences where you are completing the sentence. So if I
Okay.
ask you what sort of music you like, don't just say Punjabi. Say, I listen to all kind of music, but my favorite or my preference is
Okay.
Punjabi music,
Okay. Yeah.
right? Because we need
Yeah.
to make full sentences as well.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and one more thing, you kept saying we all school staffs was there.
Yeah. All staff members were there.
Yes, good. That's a good correction. See, now again, when you have time, it's very easy to correct. But when we are saying in a
Yeah.
flow, it becomes a
Mhm.
problem.
Yeah, I make mistakes. I know.
Yeah, not a problem. See, this happens. This is human psychology. It
Mm.
happens. It's very common. Don't feel bad about it. Just remember, now that you know it's happening, what do we do about it now?
Yeah.
Right? Like if
Yeah.
you get hurt and you're bleeding, but you don't
Mm-hmm.
know you're bleeding. If I come and tell you that, oh, Karuna, you're bleeding, you stop it, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
You don't just leave it. You're like, okay, I'm bleeding. It's okay. No, we stop it because now we know it's bleeding. So now we stop it. The same thing
Yes.
with grammar. It may take some time to stop the bleeding, but we
Yeah.
have to try. Okay?
Yeah. 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 Sure. Mm.
Okay. So, do we have any questions? We have 2 minutes left.
Okay. So, No, I have confusion between on or in. Sometimes I make mistakes
Mm-hmm.
on or in. Like yeah. So I have
I'll explain it to you quickly.
okay.
Okay. We're talking about this pen.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me, where is this pen?
On. Yeah, these things I know, but like some advanced English, not in advanced English, but in some
Idioms,
situation,
phrases.
yeah, in some such situation, I make mistakes.
Okay.
On
Then
in I know.
in that case, what I would recommend you is that
Mm.
recommend to you is that
Okay.
every time you make this mistake or every time you're confused whether I should do this or that, write it in a book.
Okay.
Think about this like a book of doubts. Okay.
Mhm.
So you know how when we want to complain to a company, we go to the FAQ, we go to the customer care and we write it down, right?
Mhm.
Write
Yeah.
it in your book and ask your own customer care. What is going on? What is this? What is this? Tell me, give me the answer right now. And if you don't get it, you can Google it, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So write down everything you don't understand, everything in English, and either Google will help you or we will help you. Okay,
Mhm.
but unless you write it down, you will always say, "Arey, I don't remember. It was it's always going to be there, and we cannot help you when that happens." Okay,
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
so
Sure.
in terms of vocabulary, you can keep a book. Which words you don't understand, which words you want to learn. Okay,
Yeah.
in terms of your
So
doubts,
I have one word, ad lib, like
adlib
instead of
means
extempore. Instead of extempore, we can use ad lib, right?
yes, yes, we can. So adlib
Okay.
basically means on the spot.
On the spot. Okay.
Yeah. So a lot of freestyle rappers that we see, like music rap, they
Mm-hmm.
ad lib. Basically, they're just given a topic and they have to start rapping about it. So they're really good at it. Improvisation, ad lib, extempore, they're quite similar with small
Mm-hmm.
small differences.
Okay. 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 Yeah.